Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. What is Venmo? Before we get started, let's talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. What is Apple Pay? Apple Pay is a mobile payment service that allows you to make purchases with your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. It's a convenient and secure way to pay for things online and in stores. Can I transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay? The short answer is yes, you can transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. How to transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay. Open the Venmo app on your phone. Tap on the Send tab. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Select the Apple Pay option. Enter your Apple Pay passcode. Tap on the Send button. The money will be transferred to your Apple Pay wallet immediately. Things to keep in mind. You can only transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay if you have an Apple Pay account. You can only transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay if you have the same phone number and email address associated with both accounts. You can only transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay if you have the latest version of the Venmo app. There is a limit to the amount of money you can transfer from Venmo to Apple Pay in a single transaction. There is a limit to the amount of money you can transfer from Venmo to Apple Pay in a day. Additional tips. If you're having trouble transferring money from Venmo to Apple Pay, make sure that you have the latest version of the Venmo app and that you're using the same phone number and email address associated with both accounts. If you're still having trouble, you can contact Venmo customer support for help. Transferring money from Venmo to Apple Pay is a simple process that can be done in a few steps. It's a great way to move money between accounts or to make a quick payment. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. I'll see you next time.